What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're actually going to be going down to Hemet to my buddy's shop. He's going to take a look at the Eclipse and make sure everything's checking out alright. Right now we actually are experiencing a little boost issue with the Eclipse. Boost creep, boost leak, something to do with the car dumping boost, but it's not firing on all cylinders. The car isn't firing on all cylinders right now. It's not doing what it's supposed to do, but you know, we're going to take it down and make sure everything checks out and make sure everything's good to go. So I don't think I actually mentioned this yet on the channel, but I will be taking the Eclipse to Chris Borges' birthday cruise on the 3rd of June from San Diego all the way down to Rancho Cucamonga so that he can reveal his Subaru WRX STI wrap reveal. So I will be taking the Eclipse down there, but I do want to make sure everything is all good, you know, make sure there's no issues. That's why I'm trying to figure out this boost issue with Garrett, and also do a quick oil change in the car, make sure everything's good, make sure everything checks out. So the guy I'm meeting up with today, his name is Garrett. I met him at the most recent local car fest, and he also drives a Mitsubishi Eclipse GST. So I was like, you know, why not meet up and we can, you know, figure out what's going on with the car and make sure everything's all good. So Garrett actually built his own engine, so I do have a lot of faith in the fact that he is going to figure out what's going on with the car, and we can, you know, get the clips ready to go and make sure everything's all good to go.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Change the plugs.
So guys, the car is actually misfiring right now. Garrett says it's misfiring, so he's gonna put in his spark plugs from his GST. He's gonna put it in the car and see what we can do. So we just put the new spark plugs in, so we're gonna take it out for a drive. Clean ass RSX Type S. So fire.
Let's go gap him. You got a boost leak somewhere too. Looking through all the vacuum lines. Horn works.
Bro, so guys, the horns are right here. These are the horn buttons. Every single time somebody does something stupid, I'd be smacking on the middle thing like, what the fuck?
See if your cruise control works. Never works on these. Well,
He's gonna see if the cruise control works.
nope.
Nope, does not work. You heard it here first, guys. Cruise control does not work.
It has like one of those Spectre Amazon cutters.
I saw that.
Yeah,
it's like the plastic.
It's some cheap stuff.
It's okay. My car's all eBay.
That's why I'm gonna get like a whole new intercooler setup.
Yeah, you could do like mine.
Yeah, I'm gonna do yours like the big mouth setup,
Yeah.
like with this thing cut off. I know you didn't cut that off yourself. I was already like that.
Yeah, I have a different bumper.
Yeah, I need to cut that off though to get air in there.
Got the keys. We could just start it right here. I could honestly probably just rev it. Let's see if we can hear it.
So he just tightened the couplers.
But like when you're like actually under load.
So he's gonna turn the car on and we're gonna see if tightening the couplers.
I just had the block valve. Really high pitched little whistle.
Do it again, do it again. It's like
When you like first rev
it sounds like you're unzipping a jacket somewhere around here. So Garrett actually capped off the blow-up valve. Now the car's fluttering like crazy.
Look how loose this is. You just pull the block valve out.
Oh shit. Is that, you think that's it? So basically, yeah, that's insane.
That might be it.
So we're thinking, guys, it's the blow-off valve.
Doesn't even tight.
Yeah, there may be an issue with something with the blow-off valve, but
Look, I should not be able to push it in like that. Boost leak. With everything, if you have any sort of boost leak.
yeah.
I hope this fixes it right now. So. We'll see.
All right, bet.
Okay, bye.
All right, guys. So he just tightened down the blow-off valve, so we're gonna see if that works. That cuts out the boost leak.
I put Evo 8 brakes on mine too.
Gas up.
Alright, let's see.
Damn.
So excited for that.
So tightening the blow-off valve didn't work. So guess we're gonna go back to the drawing board and see what's going on. But we are losing daylight.
We don't need daylight.
That's true. We don't need daylight. What's up, guys? If you can't tell, it's actually the next day. As you guys seen in the previous clips, we actually ended up figuring out the whole boost leak, the whole misfire issue with the Eclipse. We actually ended up changing the spark plug wires, the spark plugs, and then we tightened everything up. And you know, Eclipse is running even better than it did before. So special shout out to Garrett for coming through for that and helping us get the Eclipse ready to go for the Chris Borges birthday cruise on June 3rd. Didn't really do anything with the Eclipse today. Today is Memorial Day, so I had a day off, and my dad actually taught me how to change the rotors and the brake pads on my girlfriend's car. So now learn something new every day. Now I know how to change out brake pads and change out rotors, so that's all good. And here's the daily right here, Kia Forte GT. So yeah, this is actually the first time I've showed you guys my daily, but this is my daily driver, a Kia Forte GT. Has that turbo inline 4. Pretty solid daily. Enjoying it. Really good on gas. And it looks really, really good, especially the rear end. I love the rear end. It's kind of like a broke man's Audi, I'd say. It looks really good, especially when those taillights are illuminated. They look really, really good. Not a huge fan of the wheels, but overall, it's a pretty solid car. So without further ado, guys, it is going to wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed, throw a like. If you guys want to join the journey, if you guys want to see more content like this, subscribe. If you guys have anything you want to say, any opinions, any tips, anything I can do better, drop a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.